The more you add information to AI, better the result will be. Now, let me do an example using Augment Code. So, this is a blank project. Let me ask first, create me the perfect game. Let's try it. So he was not able to do it because I didn't give any context. What I want to create is this a game like in JavaScript or TypeScript or something like that. Create me the perfect chess game in JavaScript. Let me try it. Okay, so it's now finished. Let's check. Oh, you have made the perfect chess game. Can I play? Yes. I just lost very quickly, but okay. I will disable AI for next time. The chess game is pretty nice. It's a pretty nice one shot, but this is not what I want. What I want is the perfect game, not that one. Discard all, discard. Basically, I don't want a chess game that you can play everywhere. I want my own chess game. Like when you eat a piece, you earn a point. The first player to reach 10 points win the game. Um, you will be able to manually play both players turn by turn, make the design modern with rounded corners, flat design style, and perfect balanced colors. And I do like the light blue colors. Make it the primary colors for your game. Let's try it. My new game is now finished. Let me check what it. Oh, perfect. The light blue is here. The rounded corners. Yeah, like that. We try a game. Oh, I need to. I will cheat a little bit. Okay, let's see if I can win by eating the number 10. And here it is. I'm the first winner of my own game in the world. World first here. I just made a game that never existed. And I'm now the best player in the world. And no one ever made a point against me in that game. This is what context is. This is how powerful it is. I'm the best in the world in something now. And if you still don't care about context, Augment have an improved prompt button. Let's see. And here it is, the magic button right here. So that got improved a lot. I guess you know now what is a good context and not, and why you should use Augment.